Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Realtek audio suddenly stopped working on your Windows 11 PC, no sound, missing output devices, or random driver issues, don't worry. In this quick and complete 2025 guide, I'll show you the easiest and most effective way to fix Realtek audio problems step by step. Let's get your sound back in just a few minutes. Alright, let's jump straight into it. First, open the Start menu, type Device Manager, and click to open it. This is where we can access and manage all your hardware drivers. Once Device Manager is open, expand the section called Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. You'll now see a list of audio devices installed on your system. Now, locate your Realtek audio device. It might be labeled as Realtek High Definition Audio or Realtek Audio. Next, right-click on it and select Update Driver. When the update window appears, choose Browse My Computer for drivers. Then click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. You'll see a list of compatible audio drivers. Select Realtek High Definition Audio from the list and click Next. Windows will automatically reinstall and configure the driver for you. Once it's done, repeat the same process for any other audio devices listed under the same section. For example, if you see entries like Intel Display Audio or NVIDIA High Definition Audio, go ahead and update those two using the same method. After updating all your audio drivers, the final step is simple. Restart your computer. This will apply all the changes and refresh your sound system completely. When your PC boots up again, your Realtek audio should be working perfectly fine. No more sound issues. And that's it. Your Realtek audio is now fixed and ready to go. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick Windows 11 fixes, and share this video to help others facing the same problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.